Alright, so here's where I'm at. Got the camshaft out. Inspecting the cam bearings, and it's not looking good. I thought at first glance the bearings looked okay. Certainly this front one does. But then you go up and you can see the babbitt material is worn away. And not only that, that's the same case for every bearing. On the upper 180 half, upper 180 degrees, there's no babbitt left. And then, let's see, cam bearing number 3 has a slight little, I don't know if you can see that, there's a slight little gouge there. And then it gets really bad on bearing number 4. Let's see if I can adjust the light here. Yeah. Not good. That's pretty chewed up. So it's looking like minimally getting cam bearings, new cam bearings. I'm not sure if this is something I can really attempt in the truck, or if it's something I gotta go pull the block out to a shop and get a machine shop to do it for me. I'm not sure what, I don't know, it seems like kind of a nightmare if I were to try it on my own. But let me know what you guys think. The rear one looks pretty good. But yeah, anyway, that sucks. I was hoping I could get away with saving those bearings, and if they were in good shape, I mean just a straight cam shaft swap, and put everything back together. But it's a little disappointing to find that out, that these bearings don't look any good anymore. They need definitely need to be replaced. So that's where I'm at. Sucks, but hey, what do you want for like 140,000 on this thing? All right, that's all for now.